What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this new video in which we'll be talking about T or threshold, we'll call it in this video. It's one of the only cryptos I know where the ticker or the abbreviation is just one letter. But we'll talk about threshold, which is well, has absolutely been crazy. We're up 85% volume, and there you can also already see the main point of this video, volume up by 100%, up to 800 million, which is twice the market cap, more than twice, even after that 86% increase. And here you can see most of the volume, 75% of the volume comes from the Korean exchanges, which, alright, you could argue it's the beginning of the day. Asian markets have been open for a while. You could argue that that this is just Korean institutions buying in. You could argue that. But usually when there's proportionally this much Korean volume, there's some manipulation going on. All right, so at the very least, the risk we have to take into account in this analysis is higher, but it's absolutely, I mean, this is crazy. This volume was not there yesterday. Like, the volume really increased by so much in 24 hours. There's manipulation going on. And the price action confirms that as well. I mean, you can just see these spikes in the middle. And just historically, I'm in threshold, even though I like the project. And I've also, I used to hold the Keep network. So I have some T coins or some T tokens as well. But historically, this is a pretty manipulated crypto as well. All right, here you can see moves like these, but all of these spikes in the middle as well. So it's just, to me, it's very likely that it's manipulated. Doesn't mean it's not a great crypto for the long term. Just means that it's more risky at this point of time, and definitely with moves like these. So yeah, now that we know that, and we know that that's kind of the fundamental and what's going on, we can do some analysis, because in the end, technical analysis still usually works on this, and it is able to say something. The big thing right now is that we hit a major resistance level around 5 cents. Historically, if we're going to analyze that, you can see that that's a quite well respected level. Just above that, you'll get like 5.4, 5.6, which would be our price target right now to get to. But it's going to be very easy to get there. But 5 cents is just, as most of you know, it's a psychological level as well. It's very strong. So what happened is that we got there, and now we're dropping down. And I think we're going to drop down to at least 4.2 and 4 cents, which is kind of this area right here. It's this key level is in technically it's a little bit bigger. But let's just say 4.2 and 4 cents. And then you also have this 382 FIP in the middle of it, making it quite a strong key level. We're going to drop down there. We're going to find support there. Now, the only way in which we could still get to our price target around 5.5 and 5.6 cents is if we can hold this. And not only hold this, but also break above 4.6 again, which is very hard. And I do not expect it. But if we can do that, then we'll get up to 5.5 and 5.6. I think it's way more likely, though, due to the nature of this move and due to the nature of the volume, that the first part all stays the same, but that we will not be able to break above 4.6. Excuse me, the camera is shaking a lot. I kicked my table. But I don't think we'll be able to break above 4.6, and I think we'll slowly drop down below 4 cents, after which we'll take a break retest and start falling down towards 3.2 and 3 cents again, I think. Yeah, that's my analysis on T right now, on threshold. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.